In this video, I'll show you how to install the Buys and Sales Summer Vegetation Pack in GTA 4 to make trees and plants look more realistic. Check my video description for this mod link. Check the download option. Wait for 10 seconds. Check the download now option. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. No stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select Open File Location. Before doing this mod, pack up your GTA 4 game folder, copy and paste it in same location and rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, open PC, data, maps, props, vegetation, open text in mod folder, drag and drop this vegetation.img, replace the file in the destination. No stuff here and launch the game. I will add a before and after comparison. You can easily compare the trees. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.